The Copenhagen Opera House, located in the vibrant city of Copenhagen, Denmark, is a magnificent architectural masterpiece that attracts tourists and travelers from all around the world. A unique way to capture the beauty of this iconic landmark is through aerial footage captured by drone. Situated on the island of Holmen, the Copenhagen Opera House stands proudly along the waterfront, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding area. Designed by renowned architect Henning Larsen, this modern masterpiece seamlessly blends contemporary design with classical elements. For those planning to travel to Copenhagen, a visit to the Opera House should be high on their itinerary. The building itself is an attraction worth exploring, with its sleek lines and impressive glass facade. Inside, visitors can take guided tours to learn more about its construction and history. In conclusion, if you're looking for an unforgettable cultural experience in Denmark's capital city, make sure to include a visit to the Copenhagen Opera House in your travel plans. Whether you're an opera enthusiast or simply appreciate remarkable architecture, this iconic landmark will not disappoint.